Hey, hi everybody. How are you? Okay, my name is Alfredo Trovati, and I'm 65, and I am from Italy. So I hope you will forgive me for my very bad Italian accent. Anyway, if I'm recording this video, is a very, very good reason. And I'm talking to all those persons like me that are looking for a way to start a business online. Okay, and I've been looking for about 7, 8 months on the internet, trying to find a nice way, a good way for me to start a business online and make some money, of course. And I was looking at affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and things like that, and I found that a little bit complicated for me because I am a total newbie. And so eventually one day I was surfing on the internet and I was on YouTube, and I found a channel of a very, very nice gentleman that is named Matt Parr, and he has a YouTube channel that is named Make Money Matt. So I've been watching those videos and I found them very, very, very interesting. And I've been watching those videos for a few days, and then all the things that Matpar says in his videos, and well, he helps people to start YouTube channels and make money on internet with YouTube. Okay, so after seeing his videos and seeing the real talent that this guy has, because he is a very talented gentleman. He's only 19 years old, man, and but he's, I don't want to say he's a genius, but almost. Okay, let's say he's quite a genius. He has something like 9 YouTube channels with 1 million subscribers, 500,000 subscribers. He has a lot of subscribers and is making, of course, money with that. So he was selling a course to make money. And I decided to buy the course. Okay. And well, that was a very, 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 very good decision. Let me see if I can show you something. Maybe, okay, let me see. I'm not an expert, so let me see if I can move this thing a little bit. No, it's impossible. I don't know why. But anyway, make it smaller. Okay, this is the course. Yeah, I move. Okay, I'm here. So this is the course. And well, of course, I am not going to show you the course inside. You have to buy it. But this is all the course, and as you can see, is very, 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 very complete course, and very a lot of bonuses and a lot of add value, and it's a very, 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 very good course, and it gave me a lot of ideas on how to create a YouTube channel, how to monetize the channel, different ways to monetize the channel, how to make a YouTube channel on autopilot where you don't have even to show your face. So, if I, and, well, it's very, very, very good. It's a very good course. Okay, I'm back again. So it's a very, very good course, very professional, I have to say, and I'm learning a lot, really a lot of things, and I have already a lot of ideas. I'm going to open soon my first YouTube channel, and how can I say in English? My English is not very good, but I recommend if you're looking for a way to make money online and you like YouTube and you think that YouTube can be a good solution for you, as it is for me, I really recommend the course of MatPar. YouTube Master and Monetization. Well, I'm sorry for my pronunciation; it's not very good. But anyway, it's a very, very, very good course. So thanks to Matt Parr and to all the things that is teaching to me. And I hope you're gonna have a look to this course. Go have a look to the channel, Make Money Matt, and decide. And if you really want to make some money on YouTube, this is a very, very, very good way. Okay, so this is my really honest review. I am not getting any money or things like that. I'm doing because I want to do it. Because I've been looking for a business online for I told you for something like 7, 8 months now. I didn't find nothing really that fit my expectation, and I found MathPart course. I bought it, and I really happy. I'm really very happy with the course, and I think that it's worth every cent that I spent. So bye bye from Italy, and I hope the best business for you on internet with YouTube and the MathPart course. Bye bye, ciao.